guys, it's time for another Funky Friday, and today I got a very simple but beautiful fill from the great Ernie Isley, and I heard him playing this on a live version of For the Love of You, the great Isley Brothers song. And this is basically just over the B minor chord, but the changes underneath are G major 7 for 2 measures, moving to a B minor chord for 2 measures. And this is very simple. We're just starting this on beat 3 of that measure of B minor. So 1, 2, right there, starting on beat 3. Hammer on from the 7th to the 10th fret. It's like a 16th note triplet. 1, 2. Moving down to the E note and then just descending in B minor pentatonic. The D and then the root. Then to a quick hammer on from the E to the F sharp note on the A string. Ending on the root down there at the 7th fret on the low E string. So here's the fill all together. 1, 2. Again, nothing difficult here. Very simple. 1, 2. A nice fill that you can play right out of your blues box position in the minor pentatonic scale. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you next week.